Why do 80% of professionals say they struggle to keep up with their workload? Enter Copilot Studio on Microsoft 365. Copilot Studio is not just a tool, it's your new best mate at work. Imagine drafting emails, preparing presentations, and managing data with ease. Need insights from a document? Copilot's got you covered. Feeling overwhelmed by your calendar? Copilot organizes it for you. Whether you're scheduling meetings or automating tasks, Copilot Studio transforms the way you work. It learns from your habits and adapts to keep you ahead of the game. And the best part, it's incredibly user-friendly. No more wrestling with complex software. Just speak or type and Copilot does the rest. Boost your workflow, enhance your productivity, and experience the future of work today. Copilot Studio on Microsoft 365. Because your time is precious. Get started now and watch your efficiency soar.